Imagine stepping into the future, but instead of flying cars or robot butlers, it's a camper that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. This isn't your typical motorhome. The 2026 futuristic camper is more like a luxury apartment on wheels that feels alive. Yeah, you heard that right, alive. Because this machine doesn't just move, it adapts. Picture this: you walk up to a sleek silver pod glinting under the sunlight, smooth as liquid metal. The doors open automatically as sensors recognize your presence. Inside, ambient lighting that changes with your mood, a panoramic smart glass roof that turns transparent or opaque with a tap, and seats that contour perfectly to your body. It feels like stepping into a spaceship designed for the open road. Now here's where things get crazy: this camper is completely electric and self-driving. You don't even need to hold a steering wheel. Just set your destination, relax, and let the AI pilot handle everything. The 2026 camper uses satellite mapping and real-time data to choose the most scenic routes, find perfect camping spots, and even avoid bad weather. Imagine sipping coffee while your camper quietly glides along a mountain road, adjusting its suspension as it reads the terrain ahead. It's like the road trip of your dreams, only smarter. But the real magic happens when you stop. The camper transforms like something out of a movie. Panels extend to create more space, solar wings unfold to harvest sunlight, and the roof expands into a rooftop lounge with 360-degree views. It even deploys an automatic camp setup, table, chairs, and lighting, in under 60 seconds. You can literally park anywhere and have a luxury setup ready before your drink gets warm. Inside, everything is powered by sustainable tech, solar panels, kinetic floors, and smart batteries that can power your devices for weeks. There's even a built-in water purification system that pulls moisture from the air, giving you fresh water wherever you go. The kitchen? Fully modular, touch-controlled, and voice-activated. Say, cook mode, and the countertops illuminate while the induction cooker powers up. And if you're wondering about sleep, the bed automatically adjusts firmness based on your body and temperature. Plus, the walls are soundproof, so whether you're parked by the beach or a busy city, you'll get the quietest sleep imaginable. But maybe the most futuristic part isn't the tech, it's the feeling. This camper represents freedom redefined. You don't just travel anymore, you live anywhere. The wilderness becomes your backyard, the night sky your ceiling. The 2026 futuristic camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution. Compact, intelligent, and breathtakingly beautiful. It's where technology meets adventure, and every trip feels like you're driving through tomorrow. So, where would you go first if you had this futuristic camper? T.